So I'm discuss very important topic. So a lot of people asking one question is how to add this tab on your particular Facebook page. That mean by to ask your price or you can show any price will be into in this option. That is mean by service request option on your particular page. Suppose this page will open for any particular new user. Now it is called. Just come into this page. As a new user will be click like this. Just chat with the what are the services they are looking for. They will connect with you here. So how to add this service request option on your particular Facebook page? In this call, first of all select your page. In the option will be selecting for particular settings. In the settings, we are selecting option name is called particular template and tabs. Now you can select it. We can enable option name is service option. Now you can check it out. Where is the service tab? The tab is not there in your particular option. See the careful to watch. Is not there. Add the tab or the tab name is services. Close. Here the tab is ready. Now go to your page. Before adding this one, you can check the particular page. You can check any sizes are there. No size will be there. Only we can add by the group option is there. In this particular one, just go to your services, add the service. The title will accepting for only 40 characters. Added by digital marketing training. With internship. Same option. We can have the option will be there, fixed price, starting at variable price, as the price, no price, free or custom. Here we can add in for any option will be as to the price. So any particular duration, I'm not adding any duration. Show services is always enable this option. Add this photo, select your photo option. Where is your particular training option will be images are there. Select the particular image, add by your particular option. Use this photo, save that. Here I'm adding only for small content. We can add by any pure information we add by, all details will be here. So what are the details will be there? I'm adding here. Wait a second. Content will be there. Edit. The accepting for 600 characters. We can use the 600 character will be here. Now save. Next, add service. YouTube. Video marketing. Training. And earning. Select your as the price. So we can add the all information to the particular things. Any duration, no particular duration. If I add the duration will be particular hours, 8 hours, the particular minutes, 0 minutes, 15, 30 and 45 minutes. So I'm not giving any duration. Add your particular image, select your file. add your quotes image and use for the photo. After the save. After adding the service, compulsory keep it on mind. Go to setting option where you can call template and tabs. In this tab, we have to show by your page first of all. The service tab, you can move to the second option. Where it is, you can move to the second option. Now it is called previous like this. Now you can refresh. They show info like this. YouTube video marketing training, ask for price. Customer training plus internship, ask for price. So this option will show to the customer in a particular Facebook page option. So this is called add the service tab to requesting for your price and you show your price purpose. We have to show this option in your Facebook business page.